we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura ENA 4. Both are around $800 to $1,000, so let's dive in.
Okay, sounds good. What jumps out at you first?
Well, the Breville seems a bit more involved. It's got a touchscreen, you can customize a bunch of settings. It almost feels like a hands-on barista experience, but automated. And it is bigger. Dimensions are 12.7, DX 12.5, WX 16 inches H, and it weighs 21.8 pounds.
Ah, I see. The Jura ENA 4, on the other hand, is all about simplicity. It's got that Nordic design, very clean. It seems more focused on just getting you a good espresso quickly. Dimensions are 17.5, DX 10.7, WX 12.7H, and it weighs 21 pounds.
Right. The Breville has that integrated conical burr grinder, and it does dose control, which is cool. Also, the Breville has the auto steam wand, which allows one to adjust the milk temp and texture.
The Jura has a professional aroma grinder, and a pulse extraction process supposedly optimizes the extraction for better aroma, even in short espressos. It also uses fresh, whole beans.
What about the user interface? The Breville has the touchscreen, right?
Yeah, the Breville's got that fancy touchscreen. The Jura's more old school, a symbol display and buttons. Simple, but maybe not as intuitive for everyone.
True. And the Breville lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. That's a nice touch if you have a specific drink you love.
The Jura lets you program the coffee strength and volume, so you can still customize it a bit, but yeah, not as many options as the Breville. One thing I noticed is that the Jura's customer rating is slightly lower, a 4.1 compared to the Breville's 4.4.
Good point. Seems like people generally find the Breville easier to use and appreciate the high-quality drinks it produces. But the Jura is more compact. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want more control and a bit of a project, the Breville might be it. If you just want a consistently good espresso with minimal fuss, the Jura seems like a solid choice.
Exactly. It's all about prioritizing features versus convenience.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.